Hi, welcome to SourceFed. Due to technical issues, this is the third time we're filming this f***ing story. Here we go. Scientists poking around in the ancient rock of Western Australia discovered what very well may be the oldest known evidence of life on Earth.
And as discoveries of this nature tend to go, they didn't unearth some super cool Tyrannorhino, but they did find little pockets of deceased microbial life inside some of the oldest rocks on the planet.
David Wasey from the University of Western Australia said, there are slightly older claims of life in rocks in Greenland, but the rocks there have been so deformed that it is very difficult to tell if what you are seeing was actually there in the first place. With these microbial systems in the Pilbara, you can see these things in the field and under the microscope. You can see how the bacteria were interacting with the sediment they were living on.
The microbes themselves are not actually present because they would be like older than 3.5 billion years, but there are structures that little colonies of microbes left behind, woven into the sand grains and the sands of time.
Oh, poetic.
Thank you.
That's very nice. Wasey went on to say, we're also seeing organic material, which are the actual microbes, but they are decomposed to the point that we cannot see an actual cell. You just see a mass of carbon-rich material. It's like they found tiny, adorable microbial mass burial grounds.
That was also poetic. Now, why do you think that this type of study finds itself published in the Journal of Astrobiology?
Oh, I know.
Raise your hand. Yes, Joe, do you know the answer?
Is it because scientists can use this knowledge when looking for life on other planets?
Can you give me an example?
Like when the Mars rover is farting around on Mars, it can look for similar signs of life in ancient Martian rock.
Correct. You get an extra 5 minutes in the imagination station.
Yes!
Guys, what's the oldest thing that you own? Tell us about it. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, click this annotation for our 5 daily stories.
Come, my microbial followers. Tighten up your Nikes. At the stroke of midnight, we will drink the enchanted Kool-Aid and embark on a billion-year slumber in our rocky chambers.
He has a very vivid imagination.